Here's a room tour. Freedom of the Seas, room number 6667. An interior room. Let's walk in here to this wonderful king size bed. It actually seems pretty comfortable. Alright, we're going to try to fit our way around because it goes all the way to there. Telephones right there. We do got a drawer. Do got a lamp. There you go. There are no USB plugs on there. That side has the same lamp. No USB. There's a light switch right there. Controls the lights. Alright, as you can see, there's a couch, which is nice. We do appreciate having a couch. Floor to ceiling mirrors. And then this closet. It's kind of weird. I'll do my best. Alright, so here's the closet. Plenty of space for two people. Here's all the information, how to put on your life jacket, where the mustard drill is. Deck 4, which is outside on the outside decks. Get your muster station done, people. Alright. The desk area, you got the mirror, vanity lights. You got the old school air conditioner. Announcement channel, telephone, Ethernet, and a 230 volt. We won't be using any of those. There's two 120s. And that is it as far as power. Definitely make sure to bring your USB multi-plug. But here's the storage we got. Refrigerators there. Cutting board if you want to chop up some veggies. Three dressers. Pull out right there. And pull out right there. With three little dressers. The TV, it's not that big, but not always important. It does pull out like this. It does come out further as well. So you can actually see it like that. And there are curtains. So you can cover your bed if you choose to, which would, I don't know, it might be inconvenience, but that's the room. Let's check out this bathroom. The bathroom is surprising for an older ship. It does have a pod, not a curtain. The all-in-one soap. It has two shelves, handheld, all that. Here's what the rest looks like. Alright, and then in here, I think this opens. Oh, there we go. You do have that, which is kind of dirty. I don't think they clean it very good. So there you go. This is inside room 6667 on Freedom of the Seas. Enjoy.